When multiplying binomials, you can always FOIL. It will lead you down the right path, but it is long. There are 3 special cases of multiplying binomials, with magical shortcuts that remove roadblocks and clear the way toward a solution. We have our 2 perfect squares, multiplying the same binomial times itself, x plus h times x plus h, and x minus h times x minus h. These 2 have almost exactly the same pattern with one sign they are different, the sign of the second term. An x squared a term either positive or negative with 2 copies of x times h and an h squared. That's the pattern every time. Just plug in the numbers. And our lucky 4-leaf clover, multiplying binomials with the same numbers but different signs. When you have one of each sign, the middle terms cancel each other out. That takes us from 4 terms down to just 2 terms. It rarely gets more magical than that. Just remember, when multiplying magic binomials, positive is positive, negative is negative, and one of each is my 4 leaves.